Hey guys, Ron here with Rising Sun Properties. This next property is in Kyoto and it's not even on the market yet, but it is available to our clients. We helped this company sell a home to one of our clients in the past. They invite us to view this property before it's even on the market, so our clients have first chance at it. It will be on the market in the next 2 weeks. As you'll see, the owner is still living in it. All the things will be cleared out of it. I had limited time to do the videos, kind of a quick in and quick out, so maybe not the greatest video, but I think for the price and location of this home, it is a pretty good property to consider. So thank you for watching the video and enjoy the tour. Okay, now on to the tour. Here is the neighborhood that the home is in. There's this Buddhist temple right down the street, just about a minute walk from the property. Some nice Kyoto sceneries. Here's the road to the home. It's that one down there on the right. This is the outside. The home does not have parking, but it is in this quiet neighborhood in this public park that was very busy. A lot of people walking through. Home is 10.8 million yen. That's 68,000 USD, 69 square meters, 3K wooden home built in the 1970s. 10-minute walk from Higashiyama Nanajo bus stop. I say maybe the 70s because it didn't really say, it just says unknown, which is kind of strange. But here's the floor plan, and here it is. It's in the Higashiyama ward of Kyoto, so nice neighborhood. The gentleman is still living in this property. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is not on the market as of yet and has not been cleared out. All of these items will be out of the home, but we did get invited to view this property early. So have to kind of imagine this house as being empty, which is a little bit challenging, but it is what it is. Bit of an odd layout. You know, these older homes do have strange layouts sometimes. This would be, I guess, the kitchen area, the dining area. There's the kitchen. Here's a bedroom. Looks like it's being used as the main bedroom. Sorry, my camera's a little bit smudged there. Would feel a little bit bigger with all these dressers out of there. Overall, the home did seem to be in pretty good condition. Does have two toilets technically, but upstairs the toilet was not operational, as you'll see later on the video. Filming was a little bit strange. Sorry if it feels a little bit rushed. I had limited time in the home to do the recording. Here's the bath area and the toilet downstairs. The baby blue. This one is functioning properly. This area might want to be updated. You know, it does have some potential and is functioning properly, although it does look quite dated, as you can see. Got that baby blue tub. There's where your washing machine would go in the hallway there. And rather skinny hallway going back to the kitchen, around to the front. This is city gas, city sewage, and electric. Look down the hallway to the toilet. Some closet space that I didn't get into, just not to invade too much privacy. Up to the second floor. So now that I'm thinking about it, you know, this is listed as a 3K, I believe it was, but there's 3 rooms up here and 2 downstairs, technically. Here's the height of the doors, so a bit low.
But that's how it is. Seems like the owner is currently living in here and selling it soon. So this will be on the market probably by the time this video's out.
As I was saying, they maybe don't have the correct information on it, not putting too much time and effort into some of these quote lower end homes. And this property, as of this video being put up, is not on the market, but it is available to our clients. As I said in the beginning of the video, we sold a home with them previously, and they reached out to us to come view this property before it goes on the market to, advertise to our buyers. It is an older home, as you can see, but it is a decent price. Prices in Kyoto are a little bit higher than they would be in countryside areas, places out of the major cities. So for the asking price and what this home is, I think it is a fair value. Vaulted ceilings and a lot of stuff still up here. Double checking as I'm watching the video, but I do not remember there being any kind of water damage up on the ceilings. Some wear and tear from use of the home over the years there. But quite a bit of room. It does feel larger than the 67 square meters it's advertised at. So it would be a nice little getaway for a family. Here's where the second toilet was, but it's covered up. Not really sure what's going on with it. Does not look operational at this point. Pretty cluttered in the back, so kind of hard to get a feel for the size of it. Mainly used as storage. As always, taking a look outside at the foundation. Didn't see too many major issues. There is a crack there, which is very common on those vent holes. But for the age of the home, like I'm guessing built in the 70s, this wasn't too surprising to see. And I've seen much, much worse. There's another crack on a vent hole there. And you are pretty close to the other neighbors. So there's a home in Kyoto for sale. Saw this little caterpillar guy in the park enjoying the day and a view down the street. Thank you so much. If you're interested in this property, please do reach out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.